Now you're finally here.
Yeah, I'm excited. I think being here finally has made it sink in a little bit more. But yeah, it was a nice week last week in Portugal. We had a lot of fun together, and yeah, the quality time we had together without having a game last week, I think, was really helpful. And now we're 2 days away, and I think everyone's just really excited.
Same question, if that's okay, to Saf.
I'm excited. I'm excited for the whole team. You know, it's something that we've really built together and come together as a team, but more so as a family. Like, I feel like the week in Portugal really brought us together, just away from training, just being in a facility where we can all know each other on a personal level first. And I think we've had a lot of fun training and just enjoying being together and prepping and not taking... We took it seriously, but we also found the enjoyment side of it and making sure that we weren't too focused and too serious. And we've had a lot of fun.
And Poppy, you've been in and around the squad for a number of years, but probably didn't know for sure if you were going to be on the plane. How does it feel to be here?
Yeah, incredible. When I got the call to say that I was going to be on the plane, it was a bit of a shock, to be honest. But I couldn't be prouder. Like, the work I've put in to get myself back here has been hard, but 100% worth it. And I'm just so grateful for the opportunity.
Question for all three of you, with obviously 3 goalkeepers in every squad, but Wales may be a bit unusual in that you're all quite young for goalkeepers. Liv, you're probably the most experienced, and obviously you've only been a professional for a few years. What's the kind of dynamic like between the 3 of you?
Yeah, it's unusual, as you say, about us being young, but yeah, I wouldn't change it for the world. I think we've got a great group here, and even though we're young, we do have a lot of experience between us. I think at club level, probably less so, but we've all been around camps and international football for a long time now. Yeah, and I think it's something different. We can all support each other, and we kind of know where each other are at as well in our careers. So I think that's nice. And yeah, I'm the senior goalkeeper at 23, which is quite rare. But it's something I enjoy as well. I've kind of had to take a different role on, and that's something I'm not used to. Obviously, I've normally been the younger goalkeeper at most clubs, and also with Laura as well. She was the senior one. So yeah, it's different for me, but I've enjoyed it, and I think I've learned a lot from it.
No, it is really funny. Because you're like the old one now.
Yeah. I'm not old though.
But you're not. You're that. 3.
We're literally the same age, but you are the older one.
Yeah. I'll take it.
You mentioned Laura, obviously very, very sad for her. She's not here. I guess for all 3 of you, I know you're professional footballers, she's an amateur player, but she must have been a huge influence on your careers and helping to embed you into the Wales squad.
Yeah, I mean, when I first came in, I was 16 and she was the senior goalkeeper at the time. So yeah, she really took me under her wing, and I've learned so much from her. I think we all have a lot of respect for her, the way she's worked full time and balanced international football, her club football. Yeah, I always speak so highly of her because she's done a lot for us as people as well as players. So yeah, we're really good for her and we're missing her, but we know she's coming out next week and it'd be nice to see her. And yeah, this tournament is as much for her as it is for us, and she's paved the way for us as well.
Lovely, thank you. Obviously we're days away now. It's really creeping up. How do you think you'll feel on match day? It's obviously we've built it up and we built it up. Other than being hot, what are you expecting on Saturday?
I mean, I hope the temperature cool down a little bit. That'd be nice. But I think, of course, I'll be a little bit nervous. I'd be more nervous if I wasn't nervous, because the nerves are good, and that level of arousal, like, you want to be up for the game, you want to feel that a little bit. And yeah, it's a big game, like, there's no denying it. I think you just got to face what's happening, and yeah, it's our first game in a major tournament, and if you don't embrace it, then what else can you do? So yeah, I'm just trying to take it all in and feel as much as possible, and then when it gets close to the game, I'll try and focus on that rather than what I'm feeling about it. But yeah, I feel really in a good place and well prepared. I think we've had a really good couple of weeks together, and I think as a team we're in a really good place. Like Saf said, like, getting to know each other as well. I think it's important these times because yeah, pressure moments brings out the best in people. So yeah, I think we're all just really excited to go now.
Saf, same for you. How do you think you feel?
Yeah, I think it's the same. I think we've had a lot of conversations as a squad and as a team that pressure is what we seek. Like at this level, we want the pressure, and I think we're getting a lot of outside noise. And this week has been really important for us to just kind of shut it out and just focus on us, most importantly, and not care what everyone says, because at the end of the day, we know how good we are. We know what we do behind the scenes, and it's just really exciting moment, and I'm really excited to see what we can produce on the big stage.
Question to all three of you, whoever fancies asking it. Obviously, you have been not written off, but everyone is kind of, Wales are the underdogs of the group. Wales is almost not a free hit, but there is no expectation other than the expectation you put on yourselves. And there's probably more belief in the group that you can do something special than there is in the outside world. Do you enjoy that?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I think that's who Wales are, though. Everyone's going to underestimate us, think we're not going to perform, but we know as a group what we can achieve. And the preparation that we've put in for this tournament has put us in the best place possible to really cause some upsets. And as a group and as a staff, like there's a real belief that we are going to cause upsets. So I think that's really exciting.
As we want to enjoy it, we've always said that this whole time. But yeah, we're going to do everything we can do to be ready for this tournament, and whatever happens, happens. But we know that if we can do everything that we can control, what we can work on, then yeah, some things in football are out of your control. But if we can do what we can, then we've done our job. And I think everyone, like you said, has written us off already. But yeah, I think that motivates us more, if anything. So yeah, if people want to do that, then go ahead.
And sorry, same for you, Saf?
Yeah, I live off the saying, control your controllables. And I think that's something as a team, I think we look at as the same. And yeah, we're gonna go into all the games wanting to win. We're gonna put everything in it. But again, we will control our controllables. We'll control what we hear, what we take in, what we think. And yeah, that'll just write our story for us.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Here, how important is that presence going to be when the tournament kicks off?
I think it is. You don't even know how to explain it, really. Like, it is Wales, and we know how many fans are putting the effort to come out and support us and have that red wall behind us, and it's something that I think really motivates us and gives us a reason why, and that's who we are. We are Wales. No one, you can never explain what Wales is, what Welsh passion is, and I think a lot of the girls have said that before, and for us just to have them and hear them, I think it will really push us to another level on the pitch, but also just as a nation as a whole. Like, people will know who Wales are, and I think that's one of the things we want to get out of this tournament, to be like, this is Wales, this is where it is, we're on the map, here we are.
Yeah, I think we're all really excited to see the fans out here. I think we've had one of the most highest sold tickets for country, so I think that's impressive, and that shows the passion we have as a country. So yeah, I think it's really cool, and we're really thankful as well for the support we've had back home in the qualifying phase, because we've had record crowds, and they've been a massive drive for us going forwards, and without them we couldn't have pushed women's football any further. So yeah, and the work that the media team have done as well with the fan zones out here, I think it's all really cool. And yeah, I think the first game along with the Dutch fans, that combination of energy will be really, really cool to see.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting at the game, seeing all the fans that have, they've helped us really get here with all this support, as Liv said, through the qualifiers. And I know a lot of the girls have family coming out as well. So again, that's another level of support that we've got around us as a team. And I think that's really going to help us, push on and really get the best out of each other.
And how about Switzerland and the welcome that you've received here? What's that been like?
Yeah, I think we've had a great time so far. I don't know if you've seen, we went up the cable car the other day, and that was really cool. I think it's important. Rhian's always kind of driven that. You've got to see the country, you've got to appreciate the culture, and we've kind of done that as well in other places we've visited. We've always been in quite big cities, and we always get time to go out and about, because I think it's important as well just to get outside the hotel for one, because obviously when you're on camp for a long time, yeah, it's cabin fever in a way. So yeah, I think it's important for that element, but also, yeah, to experience Switzerland. We want to, at the end of this tournament, say we appreciate every single little bit of it. And I think, yeah, Switzerland's a lovely country, and we're trying to see as much as we can so far.
just similar, on a similar vein really to the other two. Obviously the football is important, but with this being such a historic moment, what are you kind of doing to make sure that you do soak it all in and make the most of this experience?
I mean, individually, I'm doing like a little scrapbook at the minute, like journaling as well, like just writing about each day, because I think it's like the little things that actually you appreciate the most. Yeah, I think they've done a great job, like making our hotel our team base, and then this place is really cool as well. So I think these bits are the bits that you really dreamed about when you go to a major tournament. So yeah, I think individually that's what I've done, and then as a team, I think we're just reminding each other, like, just enjoy it. When it comes to it, of course, we're going to feel the pressure and we're going to have a little bit of nerves, but we want to look back on it with pride and say that we did everything we could and we enjoyed the journey together.
I've been taking a lot of photos just to try and remember all of this, because at the minute it is quite overwhelming, but I know after this is done, it'll be so nice to look back and see all the photos. Like the hotel, it's so homey. They've done a great job there. All the staff there, the food, like even our training facilities here, it's incredible. So to look back at all of that, I'm sure my camera roll will be full up by the time I've left.
Lego?
Yeah, to be fair, I have been going around the hotel, finding little spots. Like I've done Lego outside near the sunflower patch, done it in my room, done it on the balcony. I was even debating taking it to near the hot tub. So Lego. I've got Trev as well, and I like to get a picture of him with my arm out with the background. And he's travelled the world probably more than a lot of people. So for me, it's probably Lego.
For those who don't know Trev.
Oh, Trev's here.
Trev comes everywhere. Trev's in my pocket. I had to give Trev a new head because his face was wearing off. So can I take one now? That would be funny. Sorry. Go for it. Smile, everyone. That's funny. Yeah, so Trev comes everywhere and he gets a picture everywhere as well. So, yeah.
Love it. Thank you so much, girls.
Thank you.
And good luck on Saturday.
Well, thanks everyone. We start on the 1-to-1 now. Cheers.